Hello everybody to the first lesson of CSS3 course. In this course we will know the CSS3 and how to do or how to manipulate the coding and the styles of our websites and our web pages. So first of all, you should know that this course is introduced and produced by Safhatech, that a website that you could visit and enjoy studying with them. So now, and first of all, I will show you what is CSS. In this course we will learn a lot of things that we will mention some of them in this lesson. So first of all, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascade Style Sheet. Also, CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen, paper, or another website. CSS saves a lot of work that you need when you decorate your website. So instead of using the Photoshop and the images and make your website not responsive and not the performance is so low, you use the CSS and it supports your website perfectly, and it helps you to produce a high quality, responsive and high performance website. In CSS you could write any style. CSS works with the inside styling. If you could imagine the website like a home, so the structure is we could build the structure of the home with the only the HTML, and to decorate the inside, the color inside it, the electricity and the other things, we could build it with CSS. So everything that you the ceramic, anything you do it inside your home to decorate it, you use the CSS. So in CSS it is a great and a big business and a big course to know it. The CSS, why we should use it? CSS is used to define styles for your web page, also to include the design, layout and variation and display for different devices and screen sizes, which could be more responsive. Also CSS solved a big problems which could be something difficult or impossible to do it if you need to do it with Photoshop or with graphics, which would make your website so ugly when loading. So the CSS make it so easy. You could imagine create an image with CSS and you could load it so fast, or you could create the colors, create the animations and everything with a little bit of loading. But with the graphics it will take a lot of work. So in this course we will know a lot of things. We will know the colors, we will know how to manipulate the text, we will know how to manipulate images, how to deal with the responsiveness about the website, the buttons, the colors, the navigation, the lists, how to manage the lists, the clicked button, not clicked button, and a lot of things, a lot of things that will make you, if you have studied the HTML course, which was the deep course for understanding deep, HTML for deep understanding, which was an amazing course. And you will know when you study the CSS3 that CSS complete the HTML. So if you need to be a good worker and could create an HTML and CSS template, a website template, you could use CSS3 and HTML and you will work perfectly. You could create a website, a template that you could sell them in any place. So this is enough. This introduction is enough for now, and we'll see you in the next lessons. We will know a lot and more. So it's enough for now, and see you in the next. Bye.